The launch today was really to showcase the investment that we've made into the Victorian market in particular. It was a great excuse for us to bring our customers out, to have talks from manufacturers, to put on lunch, and to really celebrate the hard work that all of our customers do. The day was made possible by our manufacturers who sponsored the event. One of the flagships, I guess, was a Harley-Davidson, announced by Enphase Energy.
This warehouse that they've just opened now, it's their own place. They manage it from top to tail, so they're not relying on third-party providers, so they can give great service and really make sure installers get what they want right here in Victoria.
So the idea is we can turn orders around more quickly for customers. We can be more responsive, more reactive to their requirements. So ASIC Solar Warehouse was founded by electrical engineers. We have 12 engineers on staff.
You need people who are technically skilled and who are exceptional at communicating it to the installers, and ASIC Solar Warehouse is really good at doing this.
More response times, more support to the installers, and ideally, fundamentally getting more solar onto the roofs here in Melbourne.
They've got a great team of people here that make things easier for installers from start to finish.
So ultimately, they're able to deliver on really well put together customized solutions for the end consumer.
Our customers, who are the solar retailers and the solar installers, they're in a super fast-paced, super challenging environment. It's a competitive environment, so they need every single competitive advantage that they can get. And if we can deliver some of that advantage through our warehousing, through our order processing, turning things around quickly when required, but also planning stock and helping them plan strong, sustainable businesses, that's what we're all about.